Alright, so welcome to part 2. So in this part, we already deployed the DigitalOcean in part 1, our Node.js server, nginx settings and all those stuff, we already did it. Now what we need to do is we need to attach some database to our server, to our to our Node.js server, alright? So this can be done internally as well, and this can be done externally as well. You just need to change port numbers and these things in your DigitalOcean env file. Alright, so first of all, DigitalOcean Postgres, we need to go just write on Google DigitalOcean Postgresql. You're gonna find this website. Just apt update is gonna ask us to do some update in the server, and then install this thing. Mhm. After installing that thing, you need to check the PostgreSQL version. Alright, it's already there. Okay, I think I already created a service before, so this thing gonna start the Postgres on start. We just need to. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, now go to ChatGPT and just write, because in our server we have root. What do we have? We have a root username and we have a root password. You can create anything, by the way, and you can use it on your server then. All right. Now, we just need to ask ChatGPT in PostgreSQL DigitalOcean, create a root user with root password. That's it. You just need to ask this thing from ChatGPT. Alright. Okay. ChatGPT will give you some commands. You just need to use those commands in order to make those changes in the database. That's it. Okay. Do this. Copy this command. Postgres is not a user. PSQL. Alright. Now create a user. Password root. Okay. Create a user root with password root. That's it. And then alright. That's it, I guess. Now we can exit from there, or we can exit from this user as well, and there is a command we can use to log into PSQL directly, like this. Now what we need to do, we need to just create our database. What do we have? Like, in I just deployed the Aribo API, so we need to just create a database. Create database, we just need to write this command, Aribo and db, whatever your database name is. You just need to create that database. Now database is created. Now you need to connect to that database. Just write /c and Aribo, whatever we created. Now this, okay, we are connected to our database. Now we need to migrate our schema, and then if you have a seed data, you can migrate that as well. So just wherever your schema is, just copy it and paste it directly. No, sorry, this is not my schema. Right, just copy the thingy and paste it here and press enter. Okay, all my tables are migrated here. Now we just need to, if you have a seed as well, you can also migrate that seed. Make sure you have insert statements. Just, and that's it. You see, like we have everything here. Now just exit from here and go to your APIs, and whatever your API is, nano env. All right, now we can, whatever environment variable you are using in the environment file for the Postgres and those things, you can add it here. So port number will be 5421, and the username will be root. So for example, this is db port, which will be 5421. All right, and then db username will be root, and then db password which will be root again. So whatever your DB database password and username is, just write it down here, and then DB host, which will be, in my case, it is localhost. All right, and yeah, that's it. You just need to uh, press Control X if you are using Mac, Y for save, and enter. This thing will save the settings. Now we have Postgres as well, and we connect it to our backend. Now we just need, if you want, you can just directly say pm2 restart whatever you have, or restart all, and this thing will start your server. Now still I think environment variables are wrong, so I think this thing will throw some errors. Yeah, okay, I think I need to have recent key as well, because we are using some email stuff here. Other than that, you are successfully connected to PostgreSQL internally from your DigitalOcean server. Now Postgres is also internal in the same server, and also you have Node.js server running in the same machine as well. All right. Okay. See you then.